Okay.
Hey
Here we
YouTube
are.
world, this is Dan and Tice coming to you from Yokohama, Japan.
Beautiful weather today.
Oh, it's gorgeous. How are you liking today?
Well, this is one of those days I love it because it's perfect. It's not hot and it's not cold. Well, it's a little nippy now because it's night and we're by the ocean, but it's perfect. I just love this weather.
Yeah, alright, daytime you wear short and shirts, but nighttime it's got a little hoodie action going on here. But yeah, it's perfect.
Okay, so why don't we walk
Yeah,
around
let's
a
go
little bit?
walk around a little bit. Messing around with this thing. How do I turn it around?
Oh,
Or I'll just
you mean to go the other way?
yeah, or to switch the view.
Press this 3 times, this one here. Oops. Wait, press it 3 times.
Oh, cool. That's awesome.
The only thing is, now you can't really see your recording.
So right now we're testing out this gimbal. I hope you can get a nice shot here of the Bay Quarter, the Sogo department store, which is one of the big expensive department stores in Japan. You also got the Sky Building. You can see a little bit up there. It's the tallest building near Yokohama Station. You got the Bay Quarter over there. And yeah, it's a beautiful, gorgeous night down in Yokohama. So if you ever get the chance to come down here, I recommend to come out. This is a city with 3.1 million people, but we pretty much got the space between Dan and myself.
Yeah, it's fabulous. You got to come out here. It's my first time at this particular spot, and I just really love it. So if you want to turn that back into selfie mode, just press that 3 times.
Oh,
Yeah,
cool.
Okay.
That was completely
Let's get into the light.
Yeah, we'll move a little bit more towards the light.
Yeah. Or we can maybe do some walking, see how the gimbal works.
Okay, let's test it out. You want to kind of walk up here?
Either way.
We'll kind of draw unneeded attention. I think people will see us walking here and they'll be sure, what are these guys doing? They might actually think we're famous YouTubers. At least we'll pretend to be.
You know, I think with these gimbal stabilizer things, you need to practice with them, right? See, you know, the timing and how fast you should move or how slow you should move, or you know, so it's a matter of practicing. I think
I'll try to improve my walking to create a more dramatic effect rather than just everyone looking at my big head. So you can kind of see that slow motion action. So no, this is not special effects. This is all me. Just mess around with my buddy Dan. Oh, yeah, I got you perfectly here. You kind of do that walk.
Well, one of the things I really like about where we happen to be right now is it's just very visually interesting. You know, the background, the buildings.
You got a lot of colors around here.
You have the sea. Yeah, go ahead and frame it however you like.
So that's a view of the car gallery at the Tokyo Global headquarters. You can kind of see that. It's just half the place. Then Dan and I were just checking it out a little bit earlier.
Let's see, let me try. Well, I guess it's not gonna cooperate.
Okay, it started working again. Then we're just walking back to Yokohama Station.
Oh, is that Yokohama Station that way?
Yeah, we just go straight this way. It'll take us to Sogo department store.
Okay.
And yeah, so what do you think about your first time to Nissan Road headquarters?
Well, I was just overwhelmed. I can't get over the fact that I never came here before. Number one, it's just they got all the models out there. It's they got a beautiful showroom. They have tables and chairs for you to sit down, so you could relax there. Then you go out the door, and then there's this beautiful bay here.
Let's see if we can get a shot of that. A bit hard to see.
Yeah, maybe we could get it that way.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea. We'll give you guys a better view of what it looks like from where we're at.
Yeah, there's this magnificent bay. They have that wonderful promenade with the seating and the Starbucks. You can enjoy,
Yeah, take a look at that.
You can really enjoy yourself here, I think. Great date spot. Can't imagine anything better than this.
It's very romantic. Personal experience.
Right, and then over across the way there's got to be just scores of restaurants over there and coffee shops.
We got a big group of people coming. Just want to show you guys. I think a lot of guys going. I think they're probably going to go catch the bus, probably. The bus station's over that way. But don't want to walk into anybody at this moment. Give us a couple seconds to recover. Okay, we're safe. You can see a big group of people walking behind us. It's actually there's no specific place designated where we're supposed to walk, but for some reason there's a bit of equilibrium, some harmony in this area, and I think we're the only two guys who are breaking the harmony, if you can see it. Apologize for disrupting the place.
I think people don't mind. You know, I think the people here are kind of used to, having to walk around, elders or children or, people who are lost. So I think we're fine.
Okay. Yeah, no one has. I think it's not too crowded, so we can kind of do with it.
But don't you agree? I mean, about the kind of the visual drama of this area.
Yeah, I think
really can't get over it.
I try to give them a better view. Oh, take a look at that.
Yeah, especially at night. Okay. Anyway, we really are having a good time showing you Yokohama, and I'm enjoying just being here. So
yeah, you can come here. There's not too many people at night, and it's gorgeous.
very good.
So wrap it up, Dan, for us.
Wrap it up.